today's episode, we're going to upcycle this box. Basically, this is a wooden box, and we're going to transform it into a French old-looking box. And we're going to use these products. Basically what we did here was one coat of crème de la crème, which is from the lazy range of the Frenchic, and the top part we did with dusky blush from the Alfresco and dry brushing, well actually it is wet brushing with crème de la crème. Now we're off to start the decoupage of our napkin for the effect we want to create. Until the decoupage napkins dry out and we can remove the excess, we can work on putting on our chalk molding. Basically, we have chosen the flower theme to blend with our choice of napkin, and we're gluing it on top of here. So basically, first we give it a coat of dusky blush so that it's ready and done, and then we glue it in place. So our decoupage basically is done. We only need to give it another coat of finishing coat to seal it properly, and now we're going to use a couple of stencils to create an effect on the top part, which basically would be this. A bit of French wording, and we're using the same color as before, which is the crème de la crème. Don't be scared that it's a bit messy, because we'll be sanding it down, and whilst working on this, I have just had this idea of what we'll be calling this box, basically. And we'll tell you at the end about its name. Actually, it will be at the beginning of the video as a title. When it's done, when it's dry, we'll sand a bit. So now we can go with some gorgeous gold. We're using a bit of Frenchic to give a little bit of old charm to this piece. So this is basically the last stage. We're sanding down a bit where we put the stenciling to get it, to give it a bit of a faded look. And sand as well some of the surface. So the dust is gone, and the final step would be a little bit of browning wax. Just a quick reminder that if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. It is RescoliByCarlo. Thank you.